Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am here to bring you a quick little tutorial on how I get a little bit more wear out of my sew enclosure. I have had this in for about a month and I just feel like it's time to take it out, but I don't feel like dealing with my hair right now. I'm basically laying it like a wig with the beautiful G2B, and you know with closures they tend to like push back as it grows, but baby, I wiggled and finagled my way into this little sleigh, little shum or whatever. First things first, before you apply any product, any G2B anything, you must make sure that your hair strands are out of the way. They are out of the area in which you're trying to glue down your lace. So if you don't know this process already, I am laying some G2B right in the area in which I want to lay my lace. Allow that G2B to dry down a little bit before you begin your spray method. Unfortunately, I got the spray part off of camera, but all you're doing is taking the G2B spray and spraying it in the same spot in which you put the gel. And then you're also going to give that some time to dry down. I like to use a blow dryer to speed up the process. Once you feel like it's a bit tacky, all you're gonna do is now lay your hair in sections. I like to start with the middle where my part is. And then you're gonna find something to hold that in place. I definitely like to wait a little while, maybe up to about 30 minutes, if not longer. I also would suggest something more satin. Once I removed the cotton scarf, I had a bit of residue in the middle where my part was. So all you have to do is take the G2B and spray it right in that place. And now I'm just laying my edges. You can definitely stay tuned to watch that. If you want to know the secret to G2B, you have to let it sit, let it dry a little bit, and then you style. And that's how you lay some 4C edges. And this is the finished look. If you like what you see, hit that like button down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.